Hi guys, Ameya here and welcome to Want to Learn Programming. This is the 28th video in the series Basics of C Programming. In this video, we will look at arrays in functions. Arrays in functions can be used in both ways. That is, it can be used as a parameter to a function call or it can be used as a return type from a function. So we will look at both these in detail. As a parameter to a function call, it can be used in three ways. That is, as a pointer variable, as a sized array, and as a non-sized array. We will look at this in detail in the next slide. And as a return type from a function, we use as a pointer return type. So let's look at how this works. As a parameter, let's us assume that we are writing a function for addition of elements in an array. For example, we take an array A which has 5 elements A0 to A4. Then we will have to add these all 4 to 5 elements and then send the sum back. That is, this logic of writing this will be present in our function. So we will assume that the logic is already written and we will only concentrate upon the passing of arrays from the function and to the function. As a pointer variable, int array addition is the function name. Then we use the pointer int star number. So here we pass this array in the form of a pointer. The second way of doing this is by a sized array. That is, we mention the size of the array while sending the array from the main function or the calling function to the called function. Here, int array addition is int number of 10. That is, we are assuming that the user is sending 10 numbers, that is, an array of 10 elements to the function. And in the third case, we will look at how this looks in an non-sized array. As a non-sized array, we need not mention the number of elements. We can just keep the two brackets to specify that this is an array. So these are the three ways of passing an array as a parameter to a function. Let's look at how the function call is made in as a parameter. The array name is passed as it is in the function call. For example, if we assume that the array of 5 elements is int array of 5 equal to 2, 5, 4, 6 and 7, then the function is called like this: sum equal to array addition of ARR. As the return type of that function was a integer, that in function returns the sum to this sum variable, and we pass the this function is called by just sending the array name inside the parameter list. All the passing of array to function are passed by reference. We will look at why this is passed by reference and not passed by value in the next video. Now let's look at as a return type how arrays and functions are connected. If we want to return an array of values from a called function, we can use the below syntax. That is int of star get array and inside block of statements, and the return would be the array. That is, we are returning an array. So while doing this, we'll have to keep two things in mind. The array which will be sent from this called function to the calling function should be a static variable. That is, a static variable stores the array in a statically allocated space. So while declaring the array inside the function, we'll have to declare it not as int array 10, we'll have to declare it as static int array 10. And in the function call, the return type should be a pointer. That is int star pointer, and pointer is equal to get array. We have, while passing the array, we'll have to assign it to a pointer variable of the same kind that the arrays, that is the array which will be sent back is an integer array, so we here the pointers data type will also be an integer. So if you have any doubts regarding this arrays in function, then you can mention in the comments below. So if you like this video, click on like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. In the next and final video of this series, we will look at what is call by value and call by reference. Thank you.